Class 5, Chapter 4, Sensitivity towards others. Today we will learn Chapter 4, Sensitivity towards others. In class 4, you have already learned about caring for the older member of the family. You know that the visually impaired and hearing impaired are the special children. Visually impaired and hearing impaired these are the special children. Here visually impaired means partially or completely blind. Visually impaired means partially or completely blind. Hearing impaired means partially or completely deaf. So visually impaired are the special children who are partially or completely blind, and hearing impaired are the children who are partially or completely deaf. So the visually impaired and hearing impaired are special children. They are a special child. Now let's learn how a little care and love make a great difference in the life of the physically challenged and socially deprived children. What they need? They need love and care. The socially deprived children and the physically challenged children, what they need? They need love and care. Now see what is physically challenged means. Physically challenged means the child who has problem with their body. It makes them difficult to do things that the other person can do easily. So they are called physically challenged children. Who are physically challenged children? The child who has problem with their body and it makes difficult for them to do things that the other person can do easily. So that type of children are known as physically challenged children. And the socially deprived child. Who are socially deprived children? Socially deprived child are those child who are deprived of the right to live a decent life. They spend their lives either on the street or in the slums. You have seen such type of children. They spend their life on the street and also they live in the slum. You might have seen that type of children in the road. So they are the socially deprived children. You might have seen some children pick up waste paper, bottle, boxes, anything that can be recycled. So you might have seen that type of children. So they are socially deprived children. So why they are socially deprived? Because their parents are unable to earn enough money due to their illness, unemployment, poverty, illiteracy. So such type of people are socially deprived child. So children, in this chapter we will learn about the physically challenged children and socially deprived children. In this chapter we learn about physically challenged children and socially deprived children. So first of all we will learn about the physically challenged children. First of all, we learn about physically challenged children, and after that we learn about socially deprived children. The visually impaired and hearing impaired children are physically challenged children, and the physically challenged children are special child. Social deprived children are also special child. Why? Because they need love, care and attention. The physically challenged children, that means the visual impaired and the hearing impaired children, they also need love, care and attention. The socially deprived children, they also need love, care and attention. So these are the special child. Now children, you see, the physically challenged children and socially deprived children, they are special child. They are known as special child. And only love and care can make difference in their life. Listen again. The physically challenged children and socially deprived children are special child, and only love and care can make difference in their life. So in this chapter we will learn about physically challenged children and socially deprived children. So first we will learn about the physically challenged children. Children, you know, in early time, most of the physically challenged children were not given special education and training. So they were deprived of education and training. And the parents were also unaware about how to help and train that child that could make their life happy and comfortable. So there was lack of training, lack of awareness also. But you see, in recent times a lot of progress has been made in this field. What field? To give education and training to the physically challenged children. Because in the early time these child, they were deprived of education and training. They were deprived of education and training, and the parents were also unaware about how to help and training that could make the life of the socially challenged children happy and comfortable. But in recent time a lots of progress has been made in this field. So what progress are there? Many socially trained teachers, many specially trained teachers and therapists, many specially trained teachers who know how to deal with these, they are trained how to deal with these physically challenged children. So many specially trained teachers and therapists, what they provide? They provide guidance to these special child. What they provide? They provide guidance. Who provide guidance? The special trained teachers and therapists provides guidance to whom? To the special child. Who provide guidance? The specially trained teachers and the therapist provides guidance to the physically challenged children. Now their family are also trained to deal with them, and the progress in the field of science and technology has made the physically challenged children more mobile and independent. That means there are many such type of adaptive device that can help the special child. Just like they can use a special machine for exercise and greater movement. Because these type of children at least must know about sitting, eating, using toilet independently. So the science and technology has made these children more mobile and independent. The physically challenged children require special skills, like to eat. Special skills are to eat, to read, to move, and to express themselves, and also to use toilets. So they must be aware about these skills. So the special child, the socially challenged children require special skills like to eat, to read, to move around, to express themselves, to use the toilet. These skills make them confident. What are the use of that skill? That skill make them confident. These skills, if they will do all this activity by themselves, they will be confident and less dependent on other. So if they will learn to eat, read, move around, express themselves, use the toilet, so they will become confident. They will become confident, and also they will become less dependent on the other people. And the teachers dealing with these child also require special training, and this training helps the teachers to create a suitable environment where the special children learn new skills faster. And these teachers needs what? These teachers, these are the special trained teachers. What they need? They need patience. They need to handle these children with patience and kindness, as well as what they need? They need sympathetic attitude. Sympathetic attitude. So these special trained teachers, what they need? How they will handle this child? With patience, kindness, and sympathetic attitude. So the specially trained teacher, they taught these children the special skills, how they will eat, how they will read, how they will move, how they will use the toilet. So these teachers deal with this child with patience, kindness, and sympathetic attitude. So the school as well as the family plays an important role in the life of special children. It is important that the parents remain in close contact with the teachers. Parents must have close contact with the teachers. The parents of these child must have close contact with the teachers. Why? For guidance. The teacher provide guidance. So the parents must be in close contact with the teachers for guidance. If a special child like to dance or play, he or she should be provided the opportunity, and this will make the child happy and confident. So children, your today's homework is to learn who are special children. Who are special children, and what can make a difference in their life. So who are special children? This is your homework. You will have to learn. You have to learn this. Who are special children? The answer will be the socially deprived and physically challenged children are special children. I am repeating. The socially deprived and physically challenged children are special children. What can make difference in their life? Love and care can make difference in their life. So this is your homework. You will learn this question.